The Ubom Boat Regatta is a traditional competition celebrating the riverine heritage of the EFIK people. The regatta is part of the rich cultural heritage of the EFIK kingdom, showcasing aquatic culture, dexterity, and innovative prowess.
Hello and many thanks for joining us. We are live here at the Marina Resort. It's been one full week of activities marking this year's Ubom to experience yet again the Mbuba celebration. It's also known as the Boat Regatta celebration. But as you can see, all is set for this year's event, but we have to wait for the tides to come up. How has the job been? Bringing all these components of the festivities that make up the Ubom celebration.
It's excitingly different when you are serving your people with so much passion, and I do it as seamlessly, and I enjoy what I'm doing because this is giving back to the community what we have gotten back. You see, like this boat regatta is very important to us because if we don't keep it alive, very soon other people may take it that it is their own or of their origin.
On my right is Mr. Tommy Peme, and on my left is Mr. EFIK. How has the organization been year in, year out? We get to see this fantastic preparations and organization, but what has this year's own been like so far?
I would say this year, the need for continuous improvement always puts pressure on us to get better off than previous year. So this year we put in the effort because we imagine that this should be bigger. We're here. It's only the best that is good enough.
I've spoken with a couple of people and I have heard things like, oh, the publicity is more this year.
Well, first of all, I must give credence to the OCF, which is the Ubom Executive Forum. They are the organizers of this event.
Our language is gradually dying. Every minority language is faced with what we call extinction. And if you don't, put in an effort to develop or maintain it, it will eventually die.
It's always a pleasure being here because we get to meet very prominent sons and daughters of the EBURUTU kingdom. Right here with me is Chief Engineer Peme, as the coordinating chairman for this year's Ubom, the 14th edition. Now, how do you feel, sir? What's the plan on ground for this year's Ubom?
Well, first of all, I like thanking God. When I start up anything, I like thanking God for His mercies, for keeping us alive, to witness the 14th Ubom.
Check 1, check 2.
I see it first of all as a homage to our King for having taken us through the year.
As the boats line up at the bank of the river, the air is electric with anticipation. The paddlemen adorned in different regalia and colors, which are symbolic, wraps their oars with determination and focus. The challenge is not just about speed, but also about teamwork, strategy, and endurance. Clement weather over the rivers of the marina, people have come out in their numbers to cheer their clans. Among the illustrious sons and daughters of EFIK who have come out for this colorful event is the wife of the Ubom of Calabar, Her Royal Majesty, Queen ANCESTRAL. It was such an honor catching up with her.
So, as God may have His way, we are the defending champion, we are the team to beat.
The Ito clan is one of the 12 clans that make up the EBURUTU kingdom. And today they are also going to be participating in the boat regatta. And last year in 2024, they came 4th position. Okay, so this is the Mbuba clan. They wear the color red. And they are part and parcel of the 12th EBURUTU clan.
I sense some level of inclusivity All hands are on deck to promote and ensure that our culture is sustained.
The 12 ancestral clans will be competing against each other to become the champions of the 2025 Mbuba. Each clan's boats must paddle from the start point to the finish line and back, demonstrating their collective strength and unity. Which clan will emerge victorious? The suspense is palpable as the people wait with bated breath. The race starts amidst cheers from the teeming crowd, and as we watch the colorful boats glide across the water, we are reminded of the EFIK people's deep connection to the sea and their rich maritime heritage. Ubom is not just a display of skill, it is also a celebration of our rich history, culture, and traditions.
Anya mi mo eka kami eke mi se anya mi eri ndikam ka jwa ako anya sira nam de pinga ti wo ke set go from wet e so mai jwa ako ke gbe ke ri o ai ni gbe ro ke mo eka ni ben mo mi mare ba ru re mi sikari so a eke ka fo ko de mutanda o yom na mo ndu ọjọ́ fi ọkọ̀ tẹ̀ kẹ́ ṣé ń bẹ̀ káàrẹ́ rò é kà ní kí yóò gbọ́ èèmá kò ń bọ́ eye bẹ̀rẹ̀ yọ̀ngẹ̀rì èèmá yọ̀ngẹ̀rì ìṣòro yìí dára yóò rò gbóni o. kẹ́mi di ando yé ni ka eke ka mi kó yé mi yẹ kẹ́mẹ́. ìtún otu ìkọ̀wé ní ìta otu ìkọ̀wé ní ìta otu ìkọ̀wé ní ìta otu ìkọ̀. ayé gàgàrà ayé gàgàrà ayé gàgàrà kẹ́msìn kẹ́msìn. Aya, 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 aya. Nitoke. Ariabo Ariero.
Mesna awami akare ni biet awam nongi. Ma ebe mi so, yen mesna piari ana mesna wa ipa nyong. Etiena mesna ndanda.
Proud moments for the Adiabo people as they have again made history. They didn't just say they would win, they manifested the dexterity to the later.